Welcome to TribeTopper in the series for algebra. Here we have solution of inequation. A second question for that. 3 minus 5x is greater than or equal to 2x plus 7. So first we would try to bring 2x on the left side. So we'll say subtract 2x on both sides. So we get minus 5x minus 2x plus 3 would remain as it is greater than or equal to, when you subtract 2x on the right side, we get 2x is gone and we have 7. Now subtract 3 on both sides. So we get minus 5x and minus 2 is minus 7x plus 3 minus 3 is gone, greater than or equal to 7 minus 3, that's 4. Now divide by minus 7 on both sides. When we divide by a negative number, the inequality sign reverses. So we have minus 7x divided by minus 7 is x. The sign reverses, x is less than or equal to 4 upon negative 7. And that's your answer.